You are granted bail in the sum of 10,000 rand cash.
Abameli baka-Adams bebelokhu bemile ekutheni ikhasimende labo alizange liwabalekele amaphoyisa ngesikhathi kuphuma izindaba zokuthi liyafuneka. Umbuso ubukuphikisa lokhu, uthi u-Adams ubebaleka.
He didn't run away. He didn't move to another country. He was available. His first opportunity to engage the legal process was on Monday the 4th.
He was exercising his rights. He was running away, Your Worship, from the rock unit. He considers to be a rock unit, not me, him.
U-Adams utshele inkantolo ukuthi wayengazi ukuthi usengufakazi wombuso lomuntu axhumana naye ngesikhathi ezwa ukuthi amaphoyisa ayamfuna. Kodwa-ke umbuso uthi wayazi kahle kamhlophe njengoba aze afuna nesitatimende ufakazi asenza emaphoyiseni.
When Mr. Adams called him on the 3rd of May, he was just trying to secure the evidence of a witness that he knew could bear out his version.
Why would you want the witness to give a statement about the warrant? The legitimacy or not of the warrant? You wanted to see what is in the statement. Is that not interference?
Imbandela yebhayili ka-Adams ifaka phakathi ukuthi angaxhumani namaphoyisa aphenya leli cala futhi azethule esiteshini samaphoyisa ase-Mitchells Plain kabili ngesonto.
You are to report in person to the charge office at Mitchells Plain Police Station between the hours of 6 o'clock in the morning and 8 o'clock in the evening on Tuesdays and Saturdays.
U-Adams uzobuyela enkantolo mhla ziyishumi nane kuNcwaba.